Hello, third grade friends. Good afternoon. This is in your word work section for Monday, November 23rd. So awesome. Let's get started here. This is going to be a pretty quick video. So just kind of running you through what you're going to be doing. So make sure you go to Monday, 11/23. It's towards the top here. So this is the day that we're on. Make sure you click on word work. Make sure you go in and look at the assignment. Remember, mine's just a little bit different than yours. My screen does. So what you're first going to do is you're going to watch this video. It'll be down here. It's not quite there yet because I haven't made the video yet, and now I'm making it. So it's not attached there yet. So we're doing that. Number two, you're going to watch when to use there, 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 and there. So that we're still working on homophones. But one of the biggest key homophones that still, even sometimes like me or Mrs. Harriet, or even your parents kind of get tricked up on is the ones that are there, there, and there. So there's three different uses for there. You're going to watch this video to kind of teach you what each one means. But after you watch this video, you're going to do the homophones page, and then you're going to turn it in. So if we look at this homophones page, it says homophones have the same sound. Remember, homophones have the same sound, but have different meanings and different spellings. So you're going to circle the correct homophone, and I also want you to write it on there too. So I want you to make sure you write it because it's just they're only 5 letters or 6 letters long. So I do want you to circle it and then write it on there too. So remember, if it's the beginning of a sentence, I want you to make sure you have it capitalized. So if you do this, let me see, let me get my pen out. Um, we're doing there, 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 there. So the one with the contraction means they are. So you can put they are here when you use the contraction. There is like a place you're going. I'm going to go there. And then this there with an IR is like possession. That means it's someone's. It's someone's possession. It's something that someone owns. It's theirs. So um, let's see what this first one would be. So blank were many people at the party. Hmm. There were many people at the party, which it's always going to be there, but which there? So if I use the contraction ones, they were many people at the party. That doesn't make much sense. There were many people at the party, just the regular one, or there, THEIR, there were many people at the party. So this is where this one gets tricky if you use this one, the ERE or the EIR. So EIR means it's possession, that means there. Then there were many people at the party. It was their party. Not quite. So I would use the T. It's gonna be tricky to write. HERE one would make the most sense there. And when you watch that video, it kind of explains it a little bit better than what I'm kind of doing here too, and it makes it in a more fun way. So that's why we attach the video. We usually watch videos for our phonics lessons and word work lessons too. So there, we'll do that one. So I'll do number 2 together too. I left my backpack over there by the door. I left my backpack over there are by the door. No, the contraction wouldn't work. THERE, like it was over in that place. Yeah, I think that one would work. And then this EIR, remember, is the possession. It's their own. It doesn't talk about someone's. I left my backpack over there. So it'd be THERE. More times than more times it's going to be ERE when you're talking like in person sometimes. When you write it down, it's more of the time it's the ERE one. But let's see. Let's get to one where we use something other than ERE. When I arrived at school, many of my friends were already there. Same thing with THERE on this one. They are wouldn't make sense there. And then there's no possession here. There's not one that other ones make. So the first couple are ERE. Number 4, going to do homework after school. They are going to do homework. They are going to do homework after school. That makes the most sense. They, Y. They, and then RE. This is really hard to write on here with this. It's okay. Just trying to make it look nice and neat with the contraction. They are going to do work after school. They're going to do work after school. So do that one. So I'm going to have you do the rest of them. I want to get my pointer back. There you go. Awesome. So I want you to do the rest of them. There, you make sure you watch that video. That video really, really helps you kind of hone in on what homophones are and what there, and what each of them means. So in a more fun way. So let's look where we're at here. So in our writing section, I want you to finish that. I want you to finish your the things you're thankful for in 2020. If you haven't finished that for writing yet and you're at the word work section, I want you to stop and I want you to go back and finish that for today. So finish that, and then you can start on this word work activity that we have here. Make sure you watch that video, then you have a break, and then you're going to join me for Zoom here in a little bit for math in our afternoon Zoom here. So enjoy this. Enjoy teaching, learning and knowing how to do which one is there, there, and there. So this one's really tricky. It's even trickier for some parents too. And also me, I got to think about it sometimes. Which there do I use? Which one am I using when I'm typing out like text messages or emails to parents and things? So this one's really important. Awesome. Enjoy, friends.